Lentils are so easy to cook. They make super quick weeknight dinners packed with plant protein and fiber. They're insanely cheap and they're delicious. I'm going to show you how to make 3 simple recipes. These are one-pot meals with their own unique flavors and textures. Dishes you're going to fall in love with, I promise. You'll never think of lentils the same way again. We're going to start with a creamy red lentil curry that I absolutely love. The superpower of red lentils is that anything you cook with them will turn creamy, and they're the quickest type of lentils to cook up. That's because they've had their seed coat removed. Yep, they're actually basic brown lentils with the skin off, so that makes red lentils perfect for soups and curries, but not for salads. I'm going to show you the best lentils for a gorgeous lentil salad in just a bit. By the way, I've got the full recipes for all 3 of my lentil dishes in the description below. For this curry, we're going to soften a diced onion in a dash of oil. I use a mild extra virgin olive oil, but feel free to use coconut, avocado, or whatever is your go-to vegetable oil. When the onion is soft, we'll add minced garlic and fresh ginger. And then our seasonings: cumin, turmeric, ground coriander, salt, and curry powder. If you like your food spicy, this is when you add your chili too. Mix that up and then add 2 cups of rinsed lentils, a tin of crushed tomatoes, and then enough vegetable broth to cover the lentils by an inch. Cover and simmer, stirring occasionally. And in less than 30 minutes, you have a luscious curry that you can eat by itself or with rice. I like to use a potato masher to just break up the largest bits of diced tomato and just to blend it all together. Do you see how creamy that is? And that's without the addition of cream. This is so healthy, so flavorful. In fact, the flavors deepen as the days go on. So this is a perfect freezer recipe. My second recipe is a warm and hearty Italian lentil soup. It's exactly the kind of meal you want that's super healthy and really comforting on a cold winter day. And for this, we're going to use our brown lentils. These are the lentils you'll find at every grocery store. They're simply labeled lentils. They're big, flat lentils that will soften beautifully, and they're perfect for this soup. Alternatively, you can use green lentils, which are the same size as brown. We'll start again with a diced onion. I recommend extra virgin olive oil for this. Add diced carrots, a minced garlic clove, and our seasonings: rosemary, thyme, salt, pepper, and a bay leaf. And our secret ingredient: 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. This is going to give the soup richness and a little vegetarian umami hit. And now we add the rinsed lentils and enough broth, vegetable or chicken, your preference, to cover the lentils by an inch. Bring to a boil, then lower to a simmer. Cover and cook for roughly 40 minutes until the lentils are tender. If you love greens like spinach or chard, add them right at the end so they wilt but don't disintegrate. Sourdough is the perfect dunker for this soup. If you want to know how to make this healthy, gorgeous bread, I can teach you. I'll put a link in the description below. In terms of nutrition, lentils are difficult to beat. They're a powerhouse of protein. A 1/4 cup of lentils has about 12 grams of protein. That's the same as 2 eggs. Plus, they give you a huge boost of fiber, iron, folate, and zinc. All that good stuff for gut health, heart health, and a strong immune system. Now we're going to make a gorgeous Mediterranean lentil salad. It's another huge win for a weeknight meal. So easy you can make a big batch and bring it to work for lunch. But this dish is also impressive enough to serve to guests. especially to win over all your lentil skeptic friends. For this, we're going to use these puy lentils, sometimes called French lentils. They're essentially the same variety, just grown in a different region. These really shine in salads because they hold their shape and have a lovely pearl-like texture. It's a little counterintuitive. You'd think the small lentils would cook faster and turn mushier, but because there's more skin than starchy middle, they don't break down as easily as the bigger varieties. By the way, another great choice would be black beluga lentils. Black lentils might be a bit more difficult to find. We're going to go ahead and simmer 2 cups of lentils in salted water, and then drain them once they're tender. This takes about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make our dressing. Olive oil, Dijon mustard, fresh lemon, grated garlic, pepper, and salt. We're going to mix the dressing into the warm lentils. Into this, a whole bunch of fresh chopped parsley, sliced cherry tomatoes, pitted olives, I like Kalamata, and crumbled feta cheese. This salad has everything. It has the sweetness of the tomatoes, the saltiness of the cheese and the olives, and the lentils have soaked up that Dijon lemony dressing. So good. You know, you could really make this a protein powerhouse by adding tinned tuna or mackerel or sardines. There you have it, 3 delicious and super healthy meals with the tiny, mighty lentil. But if you want the ultimate dish that packs even more plant protein and gut-healthy fiber, you've got to get my miracle meal recipe. Delicious, easy, comforting. It takes just 5 minutes of prep and feeds a whole family for under $10. I'm the most inelegant eater.